Now, this is a wood shutter, has just a little bit of damage here from the rain and the snow, and all we have to do really in order to repair that is to fill that void with something that will withstand the elements outside. I'll tell you, I've used this a lot. It's actually a body filler that's used by the automobile repair industry to repair a lot of cars on body damage, and I found that it works really well in a situation like this. Now, it's a two-part putty that you add just a little bit of hardener to the putty itself and mix it up thoroughly. Then, after you're ready for that, of course, then you dig out all of the water-damaged wood that you have. I did that a little bit earlier. And now we can take this material that dries very quickly, usually only in about 30 minutes. It'll be completely hard to where you can use a little bit of sandpaper to sand it out. And if it shrinks any, you can use just a little bit more to skim a coat right over the top of it. Then all you have to do is touch up the paint on the outside, and you've saved yourself a little money instead of buying a brand new shutter. In some cases, the slats or panels in shutters can come loose over time. A quick, easy solution is to put them back in place and then drill a small pilot hole from the shutter side into the panel or slat. Add a screw to hold the panel in place and then touch it up with some matching paint.